Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today in this video I'm going to talk about 5 idioms that have got egg in them. Okay, so idioms, the set of words, let's say sentences or phrases or clauses that sometimes they are full sentence, okay, like the one over here. Sometimes they are just a bit that we add to other sentences. They are idioms, words that do not really mean what they say, they mean something different. They have a, let's say, wider or deeper meaning behind, okay? More than the words themselves. And those kind of idioms that have egg in them. So I've got 5 of them in 5 sentences. Let me show you the idiom first. In this sentence, the idiom is over here. Okay, bad egg. Okay, we call a person bad egg, or sometimes something a bad egg. Some person is a bad egg. He is a bad egg, or something is a bad egg. What do we mean? When we call someone a bad egg, means someone that is not reliable, dishonest. Okay, imagine you are making something, okay, for dinner, I don't know, for lunch, for breakfast, whatever, and at the end you have to add an egg, and that egg is a bad egg, it's spoiled, okay, it's rotten, smelly one, alright? So if you just break the egg on the food that you have made, then you have messed the food up, so the food's gone because of that egg. We do not use bad egg for those areas. In that case, that's not an idiom. That is the real meaning of the word. But we use bad egg for other things other than eggs, like people, to say that they are not reliable, or you can't count on them, or you can... They finally do something that you do not expect a normal person to do. Alright, so in this case, my sentence, the bad egg is this person, he. He was the only bad egg in the group. Okay, so imagine we have a group, we're in a group of friends, or I don't know, a band member or a team, and then we have someone which is not reliable, honest, so then we call that person bad egg. In this sentence, when we say he was the only bad egg, we're not talking about egg, we're talking about his behavior, the way he is, okay? We call this person a bad egg because of that qualities that he has. Alright, now in this long sentence, I've got the idiom at the end. To have egg on your face. In this case, I'm talking about she, so have changes to has, and your face changes to her face. So you can change it with other subjects. You can say, I have egg on my face, or she, her face, he, his face. Alright, and what does it mean? Imagine if you have egg on your face and you go out, how would you feel? You can't wipe it off, you can't wash your face, and you have egg all over your face and you go out. It's embarrassing, it's very annoying, it's really bad, okay? That is used for the same situation, but not because you have something on your face. Your face is nice as it is, but you have done something wrong sometime in past, and because of that you have that feeling. Imagine let's say in a party, you have done something wrong, and now you're going to meet those people after a month, after a year. The same people again are there, and you're going there. Your face is okay, but you know everyone remembers you because of that action, and everyone will remember that. So you, in this case, I say, I have egg on my face. Means doesn't mean that egg, okay, the eatable, no. We are talking about that experience, that thing that everyone keeps in their mind of me. They think of me as that stupid person or something like that. So we use this to talk about someone that has done something wrong and is ashamed, embarrassed because of that. Let's look at this example. She thought my niece was my girlfriend and shouted. She still has egg on her face. Okay? So the girlfriend bumps into the boyfriend. Okay? And then with another girl and thinks that that is the girlfriend, that's a new girl. And then shouts and does crazy things and finally realizes that this is boyfriend's niece. What happens? She has egg on her face whenever she sees the niece or maybe the boyfriend. Alright, so that is the feeling of being ashamed or embarrassed. Alright, that is to talk about that. And alright, here. To kill the goose that lays the golden egg. To kill the goose that lays the golden egg. That comes from a story. And that is a person receiving an egg. A golden one. Every day. And then thinks, alright, I need to find, I need more, I want more. And to do that, kills the goose. Okay, to receive more, kills the goose. And what happens? No golden eggs anymore. So that is when someone does something wrong and as a result faces the consequences. Okay? So let's look at the example, it will be clear. He thought, if I leave the job, I have killed the goose that lays the golden egg. Okay? I was working in a place, okay, and I wanted to come out, and my friend advised me not to do that because he thought if I go out, if I leave the job, I have killed the golden egg. This is bad. This is against me. This is not for my good. So then the person advised me that way, and that's the sentence, he thought if I leave the job. Sometimes that is a real thing, so we do not, I have used the negative sentence. Means that I haven't killed the goose and I have done the right thing. Sometimes that's the other way around. So I left the job and leaving the job was like killing the goose out. So that is if leaving job was a bad idea. In that case I would say I left the job and that was like killing the goose that lays the golden egg or laid the golden egg. Alright, so that's it. And the other one is this one, and we mainly use it separately. It's not hidden in a sentence. So we use bad egg in a sentence. Okay, we can't just say bad egg. So what? But this one is always, not always, but mainly in a separate sentence out of the other ones. And we say, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Okay? Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Means do not put all. It's mainly about investing, mainly, or it can be your effort and time and energy as well. So we say don't risk all your money, all your time, everything, and in one area. Okay. So if you lose that, you have lost everything. So you'd better have some eggs somewhere else. If they are gone, you still have some to live. Alright, so you haven't lost everything. That's when we advise someone to have a plan B. That's maybe there. And the other one is this one. You can't make an omelette. You can't make an omelette without breaking eggs. Okay? That's clear, I think. Means if you want an omelette, you can't keep the eggs and also have omelette. Okay, so you have to let the eggs go, then you will. So you have to give to receive, maybe that's the meaning. And also the other thing is sometimes you have to lose something in order to get something. Okay, so in this case, breaking eggs is what we are losing, we're giving out, and omelette is what we receive. So you have to do something for it, you have to give something out, you have to act, or you have to, mainly when we say this, we do not mean that you have to act, you have to work. No, we mainly mean you have to lose something. Okay, for example, in a company, the boss says, I'm sorry, but because of the company's progression and blah blah blah, I have to fire some of the employees, and I'm sorry, but you can't make an omelette without breaking eggs. It means we want to get there, we want to improve, we want to keep the company, and we need to break some eggs. And in this case, eggs are the poor workers, employees, and omelette is the company's progress or company's existence or profit or other things. Okay, so they are putting some workers aside in order to remain in the market or something like that. Okay, so for something better or higher or more valuable, you're losing something. Okay, maybe something valuable, but we're losing. Okay, so these were the things that I had for you for this lesson, 5 idioms that included egg in them, and you might know some more. If you do, you can comment it below the video so that others also could see them and learn from you as well. And if you found this useful, just share it if it's possible for you on your Facebook or whatever you've got, and let others know about these videos as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.